So the first thing to not say to a parent, to a kid, or being a parent about the kid to another person, मेरा बच्चा ऑटिस्टिक लगता ही नहीं है. And not to say to the kid or the adult, तुमसे नहीं होगा, you won't be able to do it. Never. He is normal. She is normal. What do you mean? This one isn't? This one isn't normal? This child is completely defective or whatever you want to use the bad terms, and nothing can be done. So keep away from such statements. Hello everybody, welcome once again. Rajni here, Sashakt Empowering Lives. So what is today's topic? What are we going to talk about? Yeah, something that is very prone to trigger. A lot of people might just get triggered by what I say and it will show in my comments, but I'm okay. Because I work for children, not so much bothering about the triggers, because when we as parents correct ourselves, children reach amazing heights. So a quick introduction. My name is Rajni, special educator, 18 years now in the field, 4 national level awards. My son is 21 years, soon going to be 22 in May, and is a working professional after completing his hotel management from Mumbai University. Okay, and lots of digital presence, YouTube English, YouTube Hindi, Instagram, various recorded programs. In a nutshell, we live autism. We breathe, drink, eat, sleep autism. Yeah. And the purpose of this channel is to bring that awareness to parents that an empowered mother and an empowered father and empowered set of parents can create magic for a kid on the spectrum. You have no idea how much the kid will learn and how far the kid will go. I've been surprised every single day by my son. Yeah, and thousands of my students, when parents have come up and said, he did this and she did that, and I'm like, wow, I never thought so. Yeah, so keep believing in your child and keep learning so that you can support them. So let's get started. What is the topic for today? The topic for today is things you should not say to a kid on the autism spectrum or to an autistic person. Number 1, you don't look autistic, neither to the parent nor to the kid. So if you're a friend and your friend has a kid who has autism and you're standing and they're saying, ये तो लगता ही नहीं है autistic है, or you yourself are talking to somebody. I have parents who come and talk to me and they say nobody can make out that he has autism if he doesn't open his mouth. Autism is not an abuse, it's not a gali, it's not a lanat in Hindi as you say, it's not a shame. Oh please. You will never go to a girl and say, you don't look like a girl. Yeah, suppose she has short hair and she's thin and lean and her body. So you don't go to her and say, my God, you're so much there, you don't look like a girl. Yeah, why? Being girl is a curse? No, na? So you'll never talk like that. And you'll wear your womanhood, your girlhood like a blessing, like you'll wear it on your sleeve. Yeah, I am a girl. So same way, 50-100 years ago, boy was seen superior and girl was seen inferior, and that's when people used to say, okay, oh girl, that way. Not now. It's the same. 50 or 100 years from today, autism and not autism would be the same, because people would have achieved that kind of success. Now, in the entire of the work premises where my son works, in his department, there are people who are not autistic, and they're doing a work and they're getting a salary. And here is my son, and he's doing a work and he's getting a salary, which is the same as his counterparts. How is autism anyway different? Yeah. So the first thing to not say to a parent, to a kid, or being a parent about the kid to another person, मेरा बच्चा ऑटिस्टिक लगता ही नहीं है. My kid doesn't look autistic, or you don't look like you have autism. Yeah, autism is not a shame a sin, an abuse. It is not something that you have to be ashamed of. So never say that. Yeah. Second thing, do not say to autistic people, छोड़ दो, रहने दो, तुमसे नहीं होगा. Yeah. Stop, let it be. You can't do it. I will give it to bhai. For example, two brothers sitting, and instantly the father goes to the elder one and says, okay, go get this, or whatever. And within one fraction of a second says, okay, stop. You don't go. You don't go. And tells the younger one, you go get it. What did you just tell the child? What did you just tell that individual? You are not capable enough. You may not be able to do it. So what did you passive aggressively or passively under the wraps, what did you just do? You ruined that person's, you chipped off on that person's confidence on themselves by saying, oh, you won't be able to do it. Yeah? Or taking it from their hands when they're trying to do something and fixing it yourself. What kind of love is that? Fixing it yourself as minor a thing as the autistic individual is trying to put a SIM into the SIM, the slot and fix it inside, and you just grab the phone and say, "Ruko, wait, karo," and you do it and you put it. Why did you just do that? Why did you just do that? Okay, forget the SIM. He's trying to, wear his shoes or something, and you go and unnecessarily help. Why did you do that? Never do that. And not to say to the kid or the adult, tumse nahi hoga. You won't be able to do it. Never. Neither say it nor show it. Yeah? In your actions by taking it and finishing it and giving it to them. That kills the person's confidence. You don't want to do that. Rather, you give more opportunities, you contrive situations and make more opportunities for this one to do the things that this one requires to do to grow in their being. Support, but give opportunities, and that will come from trust. You trust that your child can. Okay? Point number 3, never to say to a person on the autism spectrum. Point number 3, never to mention either in front of a kid with autism or an adult with autism, or to say directly to the person with autism. I have 2 kids. The younger one is normal. This happens to me all the time. Mothers will say, the tone, वो तो normal है. वो तो normal है. He is normal. She is normal. What do you mean? This one isn't? This one isn't normal? Never to say such a thing in front of your child or even beyond. When your child is not, don't make it a point in your being to even say such a thing. Yeah? Practice, rehearse, not to say such a thing. And in their presence, oh my God, absolutely not. Okay? So never to say such a thing. That वो तो normal है. The other one is normal. Yeah, the other one is normal. वो ठीक है. The kind of words people use, वो तो ठीक है, तो ये ठीक नहीं है. That one is fine. This one isn't fine. Really? Yeah, is that what you're saying? So, when we make such sublime advices or statements or situations, and we think the person will not perceive it, they perceive it like a sponge, and your voice becomes the voice of that person. So all of my life, I've been a daredevil, jumping from 13,000 feet in the sky, going snorkeling under the water, faced lots of criticism. A parent of a child on the spectrum doesn't have such a luxurious life. She's a fake and this and that. And I've been okay with those comments because as a human being, I can do this and I can do that, both with the same grace, and I understand that, and that's what I tell you, you can do it. Yeah. So with that attitude, I have always told my son, you can do it, because it's running in my blood. I can do it, you can do it, he can do it, she can do it. The result, he's living independently at a tender age of 21 years. Is it really a cakewalk? No. Every now and then we have issues. The maid tries to cheat, she'll burn some clothes and she will keep them hidden and she'll break some utensils. And that's an opportunity to learn. And I tell him, cuts the amount, but first talk to her why she did not let you know. So he's learning. So problems will come, but then every problem is a learning ground. But when we got the opportunity and we were scared how to make this move to send him to another city, we could have ducked down. We did not. Why? And he did not. Even when he was scared, he did not. He said, okay, let's see. Why? Because it's running in the family that we can. So always be mindful, never to say, छोटे वाला तो normal है. Because when you say that, the बड़ा वाला thinks he is not normal. Yeah. And then he thinks, well, छोटा वाला can do it, बड़ा वाला I cannot do it. Yeah. For people who will absolutely understand English, and I use some Hindi words, when people say, oh, my younger one is normal, my younger one is okay, my younger one is fine. So the body language is conveying my elder one is not. And if you're doing that in front of the elder one is quietly absorbing, I am not fine. I am not normal. This is the most dangerous thing that will hit the person, because when there's an opportunity, when they have to stand up for themselves, they have to take action, they will not. Because inside voice is saying, hey, listen, you won't be able to do it because you are not normal. Because they heard their parents say that. Those were the three most important things not to say to an autistic individual or to the parents of an autistic individual or in the presence of an autistic individual. Yeah? The fourth one, the last one, oh my God, that's a shocker. Never tell your daughter-in-law or your daughter or somebody who's a parent of a kid on the spectrum to handle their younger child carefully, not drop them from your hands, lest the younger one also becomes like the elder one. When you say that, you don't know at what level, what kind of damage, that's a nuclear weapon. Yeah? So in Punjabi, vekhi e ode varga na ho jaye. Watch out. Make sure this one doesn't turn up like that one. What an annihilating statement. Never ever do that to your daughter, to your daughter-in-law, to anybody, to your sister, to anybody. Because that will tell the caregiver, the caretaker, this child is completely defective or whatever you want to use the bad terms, and nothing can be done. So keep away from such statements. You will see your children flourish, progress. Every autistic individual can, just like every regular individual can. Yeah? I'll see you next time. If you like the content, like, subscribe, share. Go to the description. Catch up with us on Instagram Live days, Tuesdays, 7 to 7:30. Masterclass days, 7 to 9:30. I'll see you next time.